Here's how you use social proof in your email marketing the right way. Let's get started. Let's first understand what is social proof. Social proof is the idea that people are subconsciously influenced by the actions, opinions, and approvals of others, which is true. Think about it like this. There are two food places. One is packed and other one is empty. Where will you go? The first one, right? You are subconsciously inclined to go in the first place because it is packed with other people. Types of social proof. First, reviews, testimonials, which is the most important one and the most common ones. Third is UGC, which means user generated content. It is where your consumers and customers record and take pictures of using your product. Media publications, either big media publications in journal or those who are most respected in your specific industry, and influencer or expert endorsement, some experts or some micro influencers in your industry. Why use social proof, you ask? Because it builds trust instantly. The moment people see reviews, they make the decision that this is a brand, not a scam, and others and that other people buy this means this is a good product. Second, it reduces purchase anxiety. Consumers think, will this work for me? Social proof answers that. If this worked for someone else in a similar situation to me, it should also work for me, which helps speed up their conversion cycle. If you don't know conversion cycle, it is the time period required for a consumer to first come in contact with your brand and actually buying from you. Third, it humanizes brand. People buy from people they like and trust. Social proof shows that real human beings have a positive connection slash relation to your brand. What it means is people are actually associated, actual real human beings are associated with your brand in a positive connection and relation, which builds a positive image of your brand in their subconscious mind and builds brand authority. Influencers, if influencers, press experts, or a large volume of consumers back you, your brand is seen as a leader in your category. The more people, more experts, and the bigger people with expertness in your industry tells that you are a great brand, people will automatically trust you as a great brand. First, second, how to use social proof in email marketing. Most important part. Social proof in flows. Use social proof to overcome objections and get them over the edge. Strategically use them in flows like social proof in welcome flows to nurture new subscribers. Social proof in abandonment flows to handle objections and get them over the edge. Social proof in launch and sales reminder emails to help readers make the right decision faster, which is buying your product. You can also use social proof in campaigns. As you get more social proof, as you get more social proof of different kinds, using use them in campaigns consistently in different formats. It can be videos, photos. If you have in design emails, you can give them in different designs. And in order to use social proof, you need to get social proof. And here's how to get social proof consistently in a predictable manner. First, have flows asking for reviews and at the end of your post purchase flows. Timing will be based on your shipping, your product type, and many other different variables. If it takes someone to 10 days to use your product and know if it's actually good or not, and you ask them after 5 days of their product is delivered, they won't give you they can't give you a review. That's why timing is very important. Second, campaigns. Send specific campaigns to a specific segment of your people based on their purchase history asking for review. Third, run social campaigns. Run social campaigns asking for the customers to post a photo slash video with your product or while using it. Repost happy customers photos and videos across your site, emails, ads, and socials. Make UGC super easy. Provide clear instructions like snapping, tag your brand, and we will feature you. You also need to save those posts that you get. They can't be just up for 24 hours. You need to save them and use them across many different marketing channels for your brand. Fourth, work with micro influencers. Partner with small niche influencers who genuinely love your industry and are seen as expert in your industry. Micro influencers have around 5 to 50K. Often they have higher trust and better engagement than big journal slabs. But is give free products and ask for honest reviews or content in exchange. You save those content and reviews and use them across different marketing channels. There are many other ways, but these should give you a consistent flow of great social proof. These are some quotes that I like to think when I'm thinking about social proof. These are some one-liners. Before they trust you, before they trust your product, they trust someone else's experience with it. Trust isn't built by what you say, it's built by what the others say about you. If you say we have a great product, and other five people who have used your products say this is not a great product, your product is not a great product. Simple as that. And that's how you use social proof to convert faster. If you are an e-commerce brand and want to add 30K to 120K in your revenue, click the first link in the description. Doesn't matter if you have done email marketing in the past or you are just starting.